everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Samsung account of yours. So what you need to do is you need to click open a new tab on the Chrome or any other browser that you have been currently using on your laptop. And there on the search bar, you need to type in account.samsung.com and press enter. This will open the official web page for the login. On this page, you scroll down and click on sign in. This will redirect you to the signing page. So for signing, you can go through email or phone process, or you can also log in with the Google or QR code. If you have linked your Samsung account with the Google, you can log in with that as well, or you can log in with the QR code by scanning on your phone. So we're going to go with the email process. You can either choose email or phone. Type in the email address of yours and then click on next. Then you type in the password, click on sign in. You complete the captcha over here, and with that you will be logged in into the account of yours right away. So this is a way how you can easily log in into the Samsung account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.